हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम टू क्रिकेट टीवी। हम लौटे हैं रिव्यू के साथ जीटी और एमआई का मैच जो कि कल खेला गया था, जो मुंबई इंडियंस जीत गए बाय 20 रन्स। तो मैं हूं प्रिया जोशी और मेरे साथ है हेतवी पटेल, मिस्टर नारायण प्रसारी एंड मिस्टर निखिल मुरसावाला। सबसे पहले आप हमारे शो को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड डू शेयर इट विथ योर लव्ड वंस। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारा रिव्यू। हेतवी से शुरू करते हैं। हेतवी, हाउ डू यू थिंक वाज द मैच यस्टरडे?
My manifestations are being fulfilled,
यस।
definitely. And we had a Rohit Sharma show yesterday. He played really well. Mumbai Indians played really well actually yesterday. GT looked. I mean, Sai Sudarshan even played well for them. But when Gill didn't work, I don't think the following batsmen helped much. So yeah, I think they lost. So while everybody was expecting GT to go into the finals, I think now we might have to go final.
यस। नारायण सर।
सो जैसे एक हिंदी में कहावत है कि 19-21 चलता है ना, 19-21। तो कल वहाँ 19-21 का गेम हुआ, ऐसा ही हुआ। बट द बेस्ट टीम वन। सो मुंबई इंडियंस हेल्ड दिस नर्व्स yesterday to beat by 20 runs in a very high scoring match, जहाँ की 173 हाईएस्ट था। लोगों को लगा नहीं कि इतना स्कोर होगा दोनों साइड में। 400 के ऊपर वाला भी क्वालिफायर के अंदर ये 7वां या 8वां डिस्टेंस है जब 400 के ऊपर हुआ। तो पंजाब chose to bat after winning the toss, uh, so which is very rare in this IPL. But it was Rohit Sharma's show throughout. जैसे एपी ने कहा है, he scored 81 runs, 50 balls, 9 fours and 4 sixes, strike rate of 152, 162, and he was correctly adjudged the player of the match yesterday. He also crossed 300 sixes in IPL. Now he's at 302, and only Chris Gale has 357. So वैसा एक अच्छा रहा. He was very lucky. He got dropped not once but twice, one at 3 and one at 12. And this cost GT very, very much actually. The game would have been different if Rohit Sharma would have been out
या।
earlier. But with very great partnerships he had, 3 great partnerships. 54 runs with Johnny Bairstow uh, in 44 balls. And Johnny was very fast to adjust coming from England to Mulanpur to Punjab. टाइम में काफी एडजस्टमेंट कर लिया। ही स्कोर्ड वेरी ब्रिस्कली 47 और 22 बॉल्स, 4 चौके लगाए, 3 छक्के लगाए, स्ट्राइक रेट ऑफ 214, वेरी एक्सेलेंट। एंड फॉर मुंबई इंडियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा वो स्टार्ट। एंड देन रोहित एंड सूर्य had a good partnership of 59 runs of 34 balls. सूर्य was also dropped on 25, but he only scored 33, तो ज्यादा लॉस नहीं हुआ जीटी को। 33 of 20 balls, 1 4, 3 sixes, again a strike rate of 165. And they maintained the momentum, Rohit and Surya after Besto got out, and Mumbai Indians won 143 when Surya got out of 12.6, 12.5 overs that point of time. But yesterday we found Tilak Verma in a very, very strong role. He's an India T20 batter. He scored 25 runs of 11 balls, 3 sixes, strike rate of 227. And he and Rohit also added 43 of 22 balls. So these three partnerships, you know, got the super momentum in Mumbai Indians unit. And at the end, after all, again we had Captain Hardik Pandya, knock of 22 not out of 9 balls, out of which he's hit 3 sixes in the last over of course, Mumbai Indians 228 for 5. Yesterday, Mumbai hit more sixes than fours. They 17 sixes and 14 fours. तो आप देखिए किस तरह से जबरदस्त बैटिंग है। जीटी की बॉलिंग में देखिए तो सिराज ने अच्छा बॉलिंग किया विद टाइट यू नो 37 रन ऑफ 1 विकेट। और मेंडिस ने रोहित को इनके ही बॉलिंग पे ड्रॉप किया था, देखा जाए तो। प्रसिद्ध एंड साई किशोर वर द अदर टू बॉलर्स, दे टुक 2 wickets each, but again they were hit for 53 and 42 runs. रन बहुत दिए। Again, Rohit was dropped of Prasid also, basically. So two chances were of one of Siraj, one of Prasid. Rashid Khan bowled well but did not take any wickets, gave 31 runs. Koetze was plundered for 51 runs in 3 overs. including 22 in the last over of the innings. Mendes dropped Surya off him. Surya का wicket किया है इसके wicket. So if you see GT last 3 मैचेस में उनके बॉलर्स ने 225 से ऊपर रन दिए. तो विच इज शोज कि वो एक बॉलिंग का जो उनका एक कॉम्बिनेशन है उस पर उनको बहुत ध्यान देना चाहिए. द वे when now coming to the GT chase, Gill and Sai opened the innings to chase 228. They have done in the past. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं किया है. But Captain Gill got out LBW on the fourth ball of the innings of Bolt, and it was one wicket for 3 runs. In place of Butler, we had Mendes coming in at number 3, and he played a very good innings of 20 of 10 balls, 1 4, 2 6, strike rate of 200. And rather strangely, he got hit wicket. Very rarely you find public, going hit wicket. Actually, he moved too much on the back foot of Santner in that particular ball. Sai, on the other hand, steadied the innings, and he and Mendes added 34, 64 runs in 34 balls. And power play, they got 66 runs. तो लगा कि अभी तक तो ठीक चल रहा है, विकेट गिर रही है, लेकिन रन रेट मेंटेन हो रहा है 11 साढ़े 11. Washington Sundar was again promoted to number 4 this time, and he and Sai put up 84 runs of 44 balls basically. And Sundar played a gem of an inning, 48 of 24 balls, 5 fours and 3 sixes, again a strike rate of 200. एक्चुअली उसके फॉल के बाद में भी 151 रन 13.4 पे थे. ऐसा लगा था कि साई अभी भी है उधर. जीटी में ट्राई टू वर्कआउट टू रीच दिस 220. ऐसा लगा मेरे को उस माइंड में. But then Sai got clean bowled by Gleason for 80, 49 balls, 10 fours and 160, strike rate of 163. The score was 170, 15.4 overs. और लगा बहुत टफ है इसके बाद में. अगर मिडल ऑर्डर वापस जबरदस्त खेलेंगे तो बात हो सकती है. तो Rutherford, Tewatia आए. They usually bat well. They are very good hitters. But Rutherford scored 24 of 15 balls and Tewatia scored 16 of 11 balls. एक्चुअली दोनों को स्ट्राइक रेट 200 के ऊपर करते भी है. वो अगर करते तो चांसेस था कि कुछ और भी रन कम पड़ते जिससे कहीं और जल्दी पास. शाहरुख खान एट द एंड ऑफ द स्कोरिंग रेट 13 runs, 7 balls, 1 6. But it was too late and GT was shot by 20 runs and out of the tournament. So the sudden death match yesterday basically. Coming to मुंबई इंडियन बॉलिंग है ना, वो उनको अभी ध्यान देना पड़ेगा अगले मैच के. पंड्या यूज 7 bowlers yesterday. Bumrah was the best, 4 overs, 27 runs, 1 wicket. Ball took 2 wickets, including Gills, but was hit for 56 runs. Gleason was also hit for 39 runs, but he took the important wicket of Sai. देखा जाएगा. Pandya gave 37 in 3 overs. Ashwini Kumar, who had very excellent debut against KKR last month, he got 1 wicket for 28 runs. Santner को एक ही ओवर मिला, एक ही विकेट लिया, वो भी हिट विकेट वाला, तो 10 रन दिए. So this is one area which Mumbai Indians need to check for the match on Sunday. Nikhil.
What an all-round performance at Mumbai, because their batsmen also had to perform, bowlers also had to perform. It was not a one-sided game. I think a 228 score was good, and so I think Gujarat were on track to crack that. Not a very satisfying win, I would say, for Mumbai. I was not. I think up to I think the 14th over, it looked like Gujarat would easily cross when Washington Sundar and Sai were on the crease. I want to bring up two very strange, and I think the the administrators will have to look at this very closely. 13th over is bowled by Trent Bolt. He gets to take it to the cleaners by Washington Sundar. 4, 6, 6, I think 16, 18, 20 runs
Correct.
something. And good bowling. He's bowling well, but the batsman is in full flow. At the end of the over, suddenly Surya Kumar Yadav gets an injury and he lies down on the ground. There's a break in the match for 4 minutes. Now, when there's a break in the match, where there's a momentum going, everything changes. Suddenly, you're breathing fast, your heart rate is there, adrenaline is pumping, you are in full momentum. And then 4 मिनट के लिए आप खड़े रहते हो पिच के ऊपर, आपका पसीना सूख जाता है, आपका हार्ट रेट नॉर्मल हो जाता है, आपका एड्रेनलिन फ्लो स्लो हो जाता है. क्या होता है 14वें ओवर में, चौथे बॉल में बुमराह आते हैं, वही बॉल डालते हैं जो जो ट्रेंट बोल्ट ने डाला था, यॉर्कर ऑन द लेग स्टंप which was hit for a 6 by Washington Sundar for Bolt. Misses it, misjudges it, and is bowled out. I think this sort of tactic, this happens in every match. I'm not saying सूर्य कुमार ने पहली बार किया है या पहले कहीं नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन ये जो टैक्टिक्स है ना कि आपको स्लो डाउन करना है मैच को, आप देख रहे हो सामने वाला चौके पे चौका मार रहा है, छक्के पे छक्का मार रहा है, फुल फ्लो में, तो क्या करना चाहिए, तो ब्रेक ले लीजिए। तो आप भी रीग्रुप करते हो, आपके लोग भी बातें करते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं, जब तक आप लेटे हो, आपका फिजियो आपको ऊपर नीचे जो भी करता है, आपका कप्तान डिस्कस कर रहा है, आपका कोच जमीन पे आ रहा है, और बैट्समैन जो है जो फुल फ्लो में है, सडनली उसका कंसंट्रेशन ब्रेक हो जाता है। सी, दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई थिंक चेंज द मैच, बिकॉज इफ दैट break had not happened, I don't know what would have happened. Washington Sundar was in complete command. I mean, the
Superb.
way he was hitting every bowler, including I think Bumrah also, he had hit for a four or a
Yeah,
six
yeah,
in the
yeah,
earlier over that Bumrah had bowled. They were in complete command. And I think
yeah.
this is something that disappoints me, because I think you have to play the game in the spirit of the game. The second thing I don't understand is Shah Rukh Khan's batting. If you observed at the fifth ball of the 19th over, he could have taken 2 runs. तेवतिया ने शॉट मारा, वो एक रन लेके वहां खड़ा हो गया, बोला नहीं मैं सेकंड रन नहीं लूंगा, और उसने छठे बॉल में सिक्स मारा, सो इट वाज गुड। In the 20th over, first ball, same thing happened. Tewatia hits the shot. It's a 2-run ball, but he takes only one and stands at the batsman's end. If you don't have confidence in your partner, there is something wrong. You must have confidence, and especially when there's a guy like Rahul Tewatia standing at the other side, you must know that Rahul Tewatia is a six hitter like yourself. अगर
Yes.
अगर अगर शाहरुख खान को लगता है कि मैं ही सिक्स मार सकता हूँ और सामने वाला नहीं मार सकता, तो प्रॉब्लम है। जब आपका पार्टनर नहीं मार सकते और आप खड़ा है, तो ठीक है कि वो बॉलर है, नहीं मारेगा। बट राहुल तेवटिया इज राहुल तेवटिया, मैन, कम ऑन। I mean, he has won matches in last 3 balls of an over. I think that also impacted. If that second run had been taken, Tewatia had hit the six of the last ball of the 19th over. Sarfraz Khan playing the Shah Rukh Khan playing the first ball of the 20th over and hitting for a six would have made a big difference. कितने रन से जीते? 20 रन से, three sixes. All you
Yeah, yeah.
needed was three deliveries, three sixes. That's it. The
Correct,
margin
correct,
was very
correct, correct,
small.
correct.
The margin
Yeah,
of
yeah.
loss was very small. So I think these two incidents, I think, set Gujarat back. So not a very satisfying win for Mumbai, I would say. They played well. I think the bowlers did decently, but I wouldn't say very well. Bumrah also gave away a few runs, and he took one or two wickets, I think. But more wickets were needed to be taken. And when you have a champion team standing opposite you, and Punjab has some amazing batsmen out there, your bowling needs to be tighter. Your bowling needs to be more on the spot. You need to take wickets when you need to take wickets, not towards the end, or suddenly, because the batsman's concentration has been lapsed. You are bowling well, but the batsman is batting better than your bowling. Then all these things come into play. So I think good. I don't take anything away from Rohit Sharma's batting, nothing away from Bumrah's bowling. But tactically speaking, you need to be little more, this more sportsman spirit coming in into this game. That's what I believe.
एक चीज और भी आप देखो कि नाउ देयर हैज टू बी डेथ बॉलर स्पेशलिस्ट होने चाहिए, 19 और 20वें ओवर के लिए। अगर आप देखो तो उन्होंने कोटजी को दिया ये, और इसी ओवर में हार्दिक ने 3 छक्के मारे लास्ट ओवर के अंदर, है ना, वही डिफरेंस रहा रन का। हो सकता था ये प्रसिद्ध को कराते या किसी और को कराते,
So I
मतलब
think so.
आई एम नॉट
That's
श्योर।
where the captain made a mistake in not giving one more over to Washington Sundar. If you see Washington Sundar's analysis, 1070, एक ही ओवर दिया और 7 ही रन दिए उसने। तो उसको अगर बीच में कहीं यूज करते और प्रसिद्ध को लास्ट के लिए रखते 20वें ओवर
करेक्ट।
के लिए, तो शायद जैसे आप कह रहे हो ना कि डेथ ओवर एक स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर का काम होता है, जैसे भुवनेश्वर करते थे, बुमराह करते थे पहले 19वें या 20वें ओवर में। तो ये जो डेथ बॉलिंग है ना, इसके लिए स्पेशलिस्ट चाहिए, और इसमें Prasid is a class. He's a great guy. I agree with you completely that if I was the captain, I would have kept him for the 20th over. And you had a choice,
यस।
and you had a choice of Washington Sundar coming in between for a couple of more overs.
हाँ,
So why
हाँ,
he was not given that extra bowling, I don't understand, because he is a good bowler, and as a spin bowler, he could have slowed down the pace at which Surya Kumar was batting, or at which Naman Dhir, when he came in, he could have made some difference over there. But anyway, what happened. I think at the end of the day, you trust your bowler and you say, okay, Prasid, you go and bowl, or Koetzi, you go and bowl. We have taken you for that. So probably at that point of time, it's the confidence level in the player that makes a big difference.
और आपने कहा शाहरुख और टिवेटिया वाला, अगर शाहरुख में ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस होता कैप्टन को, तो वो शाहरुख टिवेटिया के पहले लाते उसको बैटिंग।
हाँ बिल्कुल,
वो
एग्जैक्टली।
बाद में आए हैं। हाँ,
हाँ
बाद में आए हैं, है ना?
हाँ।
तो
So you have
अगर
to
तो
respect,
ये
you have to
वो,
respect the
हाँ,
ability of that partner of yours.
यस द सीक्वेंस ऑल्सो पीपल कमिंग।
Yeah,
आज इन्होंने देखो तो वॉशिंगटन को 4 नंबर प्रमोट किया आपकी बात
yeah.
मैच के, है ना?
And
एंड ही
that paid off.
डिलीवर्ड।
And that paid off.
यस,
It paid off.
या
Yeah,
ही डिलीवर्ड, ही डिलीवर्ड। वो
yeah.
तो आप मतलब ज्यादा कोई बड़ा फर्क नहीं है। आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड आई अग्री विद यू कि 20 रन को ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है, 10% ही होता है 228 का।
And three deliveries, yeah. Three deliveries. 6, 6, 6, 18. एक दो रन यहाँ वहाँ. हाँ. I mean, what's the big deal?
वही तीनों हार्दिक के 3 छक्के ही समझो डिफरेंस के,
Yeah,
देखा
there
तो।
you go. Absolutely. Yeah. That last over of 22 made a difference.
बट ये जो बॉलिंग का जो मैंने कहा ना मुंबई इंडियंस को, ये उनको परसों वाली मैच में थोड़ा समझ के करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उनके सामने वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर
Preview.
रिव्यू, बट विल वर्क आउट देट।
Yeah. But good match all in all. I think satisfying from a Mumbai fan perspective. At least we have got one more chance to go to the final and a Rocco final, as me and Hit we had probably predicted
कल
many
आपने
years
देखा
ago.
होगा वो 3 जो कैच छिपे ना, वो फॉरेन इसॉप वाले थे।
Ah, okay. I know.
तीनों ओवरसीज प्लेयर है।
The owners of MI were on the phone for a long time. I know.
नहीं
શું
नहीं,
કરો છો? આપી દો. શું કરો છો?
तीनों ही जो कैच ड्रॉप हुए ना, वो ओवरसीज प्लेयर है।
શું કરો છો? ટ્રાન્સફર થયું કે નહીં? I mean, all that is in jest.
गुड
For
गुड,
the viewers, I'm
लाइट,
telling all that is in jest.
लाइट
We don't
ह्यूमर,
actually mean, we don't mean seriously that anything happens like that. But we love to talk about the other side of cricket. So, so yeah, yeah.
बेसिकली ये, बेसिकली निखिल, यू एंड मी आर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, फिनेंस प्रोफेशनल, तो अपन बात क्या करेंगे?
और आयकर भवन में काफी जाते हैं तो समझते भी है
हाँ
ना.
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, आयकर में जाते हैं, एमसीए में जाते हैं। बाकी का मैं नाम नहीं लेता हूँ इसके ऊपर।
चलिए ठीक है.
तो ये था
प्रिया जी,
एलिमिनेटर मैच। यस, तो दर्शकों, हमारे क्विज का जवाब जरूर भेजिएगा। वी आर वेटिंग फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्सेज। कल दोपहर को 12 बजे तक का समय है और हमारा सवाल था, विच करंट आईपीएल कैप्टन शुड बी रिप्लेस नेक्स्ट सीजन एंड हु शुड टेक ओवर देयर रोल। तो ये हमारा सवाल है। कल दोपहर को 12 बजे तक का समय है। डू सेंड इन योर रिस्पॉन्सेज। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल।